Maintaining healthy teeth doesn't have to be taxing and expensive. A simple toothbrushing 3 times a day sometimes isn't enough. Without proper cleaning, you can have bad breath or worse, tooth decay. Introducing MeetEasy Dental Scaler, the complete household oral care tool. Got crooked bites and spots that just can't be cleaned with a regular toothbrush? Don't worry, this plaque remover for teeth has got you covered. This ultrasonic calculus remover uses only safe food-grade silicone and medical-grade steel. The tip can easily reach any area in your mouth, including deep and hidden areas that are not easy to clean at all. This all-in-one professional teeth whitening tool and electric tooth polisher uses 5 active cleaning modes and powerful high-frequency vibrations to remove stubborn plaque, tooth stains, tartar, and dental calculus in an instant. To use your dental scaler, simply place the tip below the gum line and then gently slide the scaler until your tooth feels nice and smooth. Check your teeth with the dental mirror, making sure every tooth has been taken care of. Once you're done, simply rinse it with water and soak the scaler with disinfectant. Using the dental scaler can be challenging and scary at first. Rest assured, it becomes easier. MeetEasy Dental Scaler is a must-have tool for stronger, healthier teeth.